Well, May is Bike Month, and out here in California we take it very seriously. One of the things that we do is we give people awards for their participation in Bike Month, and I've been commissioned to make about 6 of those awards for one of the local agencies. That's today's project. They told me they wanted the awards made from bike parts, and I'm good with that. So here's one of the ideas that I had. This is an old freewheel. We'll just weld this seat post onto it, and then somewhere here I'll attach a metal plate where they can apply their engraved placard that says what the award is for and who got it. And this will be the big one. They wanted one big one for a special award, but I need 5 of these smaller ones. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to cut these sprockets off here, and then I'm going to weld this chain on and come up here around a cog and make and weld that so that will stand up like that. And then I'm going to make like a little star out of chain and weld it onto the side over here. So we'll start by cutting all these sprockets up. So here's the concept for the other 5. These will stand upright, and the chains will be welded so all of this will be held up like that. And then they'll have this little star welded on the side, and everything's cut. So I think where we are right now is to take all this down to the pressure washer and clean it up. So I left these chains in the tumbler for about 10 hours, and they cleaned up real nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do here first is grab the low-hanging fruit. This one here is going to be like that with the seat post welded on, and I think I'll just weld this from the back. I want to try to hide as many welds as I can. Alright, that turned out. Well, this job's almost done. All I have to do now is attach a place for them to mount their engraved placard on each one of these. And for that, I'm going to use this 3-inch wide by 1/8 inch thick strap steel. I'm just going to cut out some business card size pieces and weld them onto each one of these. Then I'm going to soda blast all these to get them all cleaned up. Well, there they are, the 2018 May is Bike Month Awards, and I want to thank the Highway 50 Transit Management Association for selecting me to manufacture these awards for them, and I'm quite honored to have the privilege. So thank you to the Highway 50 TMA. All that remains is to hit these with the soda blaster, and I would do that right now, except I'm out of soda and I'm not going to be able to get some for a couple of days. But if you want to see the result of that endeavor, find me on Instagram. My name there is Wildman.Tech, and I'll be posting pictures of the progress of this project and everything else I'm doing there. And if you're watching this video before March 1st, 2018, don't forget to click the link above and make sure you're entered to win the Morgan No. 20 woodworking bench vise I'm giving away. It's worth about $160 new. This one is used, but I did go through and refurbish it. It's in excellent condition and it'd make a welcome addition to any woodworker's bench. So that's all for this week. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.